What if you could get into real photography without spending a fortune? Because here's the truth in 2026. Some of the best beginner cameras aren't the most expensive ones. In fact, under $500, you can already find cameras that shoot sharp photos, record solid video, and give you way more control than a smartphone. So today we're breaking down the 5 best cameras under $500 that actually deliver real value, not just marketing hype. And as always, all product links are down in the description, along with YouTube product tags so you can check prices instantly. Alright, let's get into it. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7. This is one of the most popular entry-level DSLR cameras for a reason. It gives you a proper optical viewfinder, simple controls, and a 24.1 megapixel sensor that still delivers solid image quality for beginners. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or everyday moments, it produces natural-looking images with good detail. Brief pause. It's not the fastest camera, and autofocus is fairly basic compared to newer models. But as a learning tool, it's incredibly reliable. If you want a straightforward DSLR experience without complexity, this is a strong starting point. Number 4. Nikon D3500. Now this is where beginner photography starts to feel more refined. The D3500 is a lightweight, easy to handle, and has one of the best battery lives in its class. It uses a 24.2 megapixel sensor that captures sharp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range for the price. Brief pause. But what really makes it special is guide mode. It literally teaches you how to use the camera while you shoot. So instead of guessing settings, you learn step by step. If you're brand new to cameras and want something simple but powerful, this is a fantastic choice. Number 3. Canon EOS R100. Now we're stepping into mirrorless territory. This camera is smaller, lighter, and faster to use than traditional DSLRs. And it brings you into Canon's modern RF system. Brief pause. Image quality is strong, autofocus is reliable for still photography, and the overall experience feels more modern and responsive. It's also a future-friendly choice because the RF lens system is expanding quickly. If you want a compact camera that feels closer to a smartphone workflow, but with real lens control, the R100 is a great upgrade path. Number 2. Sony ZV-E10. This one is a favorite among vloggers and content creators. Unlike traditional cameras, it's designed with video in mind first, but it still delivers excellent photo performance. Brief pause. You get Sony's strong autofocus, real-time eye tracking, and very clean, detailed image output. The fully articulating screen also makes it perfect for selfies and vlogging. If your goal is YouTube, content creation, or cinematic-looking videos without complexity, this is one of the best choices under $500. And finally, number 1. Panasonic Lumix G7. This is easily one of the most well-rounded budget cameras you can buy. You get 4K video recording, strong manual controls, and access to the Micro Four Thirds lens system. That means you're not just buying a camera, you're entering a full creative ecosystem. Brief pause. The image quality is sharp, the controls are intuitive, and it feels more pro than its price suggests. If you want the best overall balance of photo and video under $500, this is the one that stands out. Now here's the real takeaway. A budget camera isn't about limitations anymore. It's about learning, creating, and building your skills without overspending. Because in 2026, even entry-level cameras can produce professional-looking results in the right hands. So here's your quick breakdown. If you want a simple DSLR experience, go with the Canon Rebel T7. If you want beginner-friendly learning, the Nikon D3500 is perfect. If you want a modern mirrorless upgrade, the Canon R100 is a great pick. If you want the best video and vlogging setup, the Sony ZV-E10 stands out. And if you want the most balanced all-round camera under $500, the Panasonic Lumix G7 takes the crown. That's it for this video. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And don't forget, you can also find these in the YouTube product section right below the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.